In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view photos in iCloud from your iPhone or from a computer. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, on an iPhone we need to head over to Settings and then tap right here at our name at the very top. After that, get into iCloud and then tap at Photos. First off, guys, we need to activate the option which is called Sync this iPhone to allow syncing photos between our device and iCloud. If this toggle button is activated and it says here syncing paused, you can tap at Sync Now to immediately sync all the photos between your camera roll and iCloud. Once the process is completed, we can head over to Photos, where we can easily find all the photos from the iCloud, because when the synchronization is complete, you will see the same photos in the gallery as in the iCloud. If you want to view your iCloud photos on a computer, first off, open up a web browser, then head over to google.com and just search for iCloud here. Then follow the first link that will lead you to iCloud.com, and that's where, first off, we need to sign into our Apple ID account by clicking right here at that button. And once it is done, we'll be taken to that screen where we can easily find photos. Here we can just click Add Photos, and then we'll be taken to the photos that are stored in our iCloud. And basically that's how you can easily view those photos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.